Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to recover a recently deleted video from your file manager. First, open your file manager app and go to the Recycle Bin, Trash, or Recently Deleted folder. This is where deleted files are stored temporarily. Look through the list of deleted items and find the video you want to recover. Once you've located it, tap on the file to select it. Next, look for the Restore or Recover option, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap it, and the video will be restored to its original folder. That's it. Your video is recovered. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.